How to update apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store. At the top right corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Now in this page, you're going to find all the apps that needs update. Just scroll and check. At the right corner of the app, you'll find the option of update. If you find update for any of these apps, just click on it, and with that the app will be updated. Likewise, in the case you want to update a specific app, what you can do is close this. Now click on the search icon given at the bottom right corner. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the name of the specific app that you want to update. After you type in the name of the app, just search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If any updates are available for it, you'll find the option of Update. Clicking on that option of Update, the app will be updated. Well, this way you can easily update apps on iPhone. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.